Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to narrow down your search by the help of filters on the 24 task client application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then tap on the home button down below, which is the first option, and then tap on this white box in the middle of the screen, and if you type in the type on what you are looking for, here are all of the filters that you can turn on, such as hourly rate, category, language, location, rating and reviews. So after selecting the relevant category, down below you can see options. So if you tap on the hourly rate button, below that you are going to find a bunch of options that you can choose from. All you have to do is clicking on the relevant one, and if you proceed to a next category, such as language, and you slide to the right side of the screen, you can select other options. So add your filters, and after that you are going to find all of the results here. So basically that's it. See you in the next video. Bye bye.